Who is Abdul Samad? Okay, so Abdul Samad is a guy who has done his undergraduate from Nast University in electrical engineering, and he has a master's in artificial intelligence from a university in China, that is Tong, that rates above in the top 250 universities of the world. When we talk about computer sciences and we talk about its importance, I need not say how important it is right now for majority of the people who wants to earn good, who wants to be in a respectable position, right, in this society right now. So I would say if you want to go for any field, be that engineering, be that biomedical, be that bioengineering, be that accountancy, any field of accountancy, you would be needing this subject. Now, in A levels, the subject is up to so much depth that if you go for computer sciences as the core area in your undergraduate, you are going to cover about 1.5 years of your study. That means 3 semesters of your university is going to get covered in your A-level syllabus. With me, you are going to dive deep into the computer sciences concepts, each and everything, each and every hair of computer science. We are going to look quite closely. We are going to understand the study, the working of the whole computer system, as well as coding, as well as all the things that are associated with it. Not to brag about it, but artificial intelligence is there and you have the right person with you to teach that. It's in August, and please do keep one thing in your mind. It is not difficult to study computer sciences. You just need to believe in yourself. Just believe it and you will achieve it. This is my time. Thank you.